Can you hear this sound? It's bats. I saw this one bat flying past our house and I decided to follow it. And I came to this beautiful flowering eucalyptus tree and there were many bats just feeding on it at night. This eucalyptus tree was located in one of the nature corridors in our suburb, and I'm happy that this nature corridor is functioning just as it was intended. So I live in a very suburban area, but often we'll get just this very thin strip of trees which will allow all sorts of wildlife to flourish even in a densely populated suburban area. And that's all these animals need to survive, really. So what you're seeing is bats flying overhead, and they migrate here in the summer. There's a big colony of bats that establish themselves in the middle of Canberra near the big lake, which is Lake Burley Griffin. So you'll see a lot of these bats roosting in Commonwealth Park. And I'm located in kind of like a fringe suburb, and what these bats do is they fly from their roosting site to feed on these eucalyptus blossoms, and then at dawn they fly back to sleep in their usual location. And this bat here is a flying fox. It's a grey-headed flying fox, and I can tell that because it's got this big cuff of sort of red around its neck, but the rest of his body is grey and black. And I'm not disturbing these bats. There were probably about 25 in this tree and probably 50 sort of nearby. They're not sleeping, they're actively feeding. They're very, very noisy. So for the past 3 weeks, I heard these weird sounds, and I honestly thought it was a cat or some cats fighting in the neighborhood and making sounds. But it's these bats, so have fun listening to them. Here's a bit of ASMR. So yeah, the rest of this video is just bat noises. Bye for now.